Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to post a video on Behance. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top of your Behance dashboard. You'll see a button labeled Share Work. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Project. This option allows you to create a new portfolio piece where you can showcase your video work to the Behance community. Once you've clicked on Project, you'll be taken to the Project Creation page. Now, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll notice different media type options available for your project. Click on the video/audio option. This is important because selecting this format tells Behance that you're uploading video content, which requires different processing than images or text-based projects. After selecting video/audio, your file browser will automatically open up. Navigate through your folders to locate the video file you want to upload to Behance. Once you've found it, simply double-click on the video file. This action will initiate the upload process and begin transferring your video from your computer to Behance's servers. Now, you'll need to wait while your video uploads. The upload time depends on your file size and internet connection speed, so give it a moment to complete. You'll typically see a progress bar indicating how much of the file has been uploaded. Once the upload finishes, you'll see a confirmation message appear on your screen that reads your file has uploaded successfully and is being converted into a web-friendly format. This message is important because it means your video is now being processed by Behance's system. The platform needs to convert your video into a format that can stream smoothly across different devices and browsers, ensuring everyone can view your work properly. Keep in mind that this conversion process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours depending on the size of your video file. Larger, higher resolution videos naturally take longer to process than smaller ones. During this time, you don't need to stay on the page. You can navigate away and check back later, or Behance may send you a notification once the processing is complete. And that's it, you've successfully uploaded your video to Behance and it's now being prepared for publishing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.